Hi guys, today my mother is going to show you something which is easy to make and it is also very mouth watering and delicious. We used leftover cream and cake. We took some dry fruits so that we can put layer by layer in each slice of cake. First take 3 airtight jar. You guys can take any jar you want. You can see in one of our video we made this as a pound cake recipe, but there were only 3 left, so we used them as a cake for making this delicious dessert. First add cream on the bottom. So guys, this cream is actually leftover cream which we had made in our videos, and you guys can also see it in the next video. Next add chocolate cake crumbs. For this recipe chocolate cake will be only okay. If you add vanilla it will become another taste. Then add sugar syrup for moisturizing. Then add some dry fruits. If you don't like nuts just like me, you guys don't need to add it. But for this recipe we had to add the dry fruits because it will become more tasty. And then we are going to repeat the process again. And then we are going to add some dry fruits at the top for garnishing. Then do the same process for every jar. And then put on the lid and then put it in the freezer for 1 hour. After 1 hour it is ready to serve. To my mother and all of my family members said that it was very tasty, but to me I disagreed since I don't like nuts. And if you don't like nuts, don't put it. The full cake is going to be in the waste. Bye guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.